Are there any issues with the Terra Classic L1TF core security upgrade, and what's next for LUNC? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Let's start with the LUNC ETF token. Thanks to the contract and the 5% commission, every transaction you make will fund and bring the LUNC token closer and closer to the ETF. LUNC needs catalysts, so LUNC ETF decided to create one of the best. I think LUN will break many ceilings in the crypto industry, so the link to the website and to buy LUN coin in the description. Let's continue. Are there any issues with this new proposal? This core security update package attempts to solve security vulnerabilities and a lack of new functionality caused by Terra Classic's old components. Fully improving these essential components could guarantee existing safety and reliability, as well as give the framework required for TFL compatibility. The team is working on a big 11-week upgrade for the security of Terra Classic. They need $51,000 for the whole project, and the money will be in a special account watched over by the team and a committee. The upgrade involves important parts of Terra Classic like WASM module, Cosmos SDK, and others. Right now, they are asking for $25,500 to start the work. This money covers setup and is like a commitment to keep Terra Classic safe, says Vin Nguyen, the leader of the team. In the first vote, most people said yes to the plan, 94%. But some said no or no with veto. If everything goes well, this upgrade should make Terra Classic more secure and stable in the future. This upgrade could heavily impact LUNC price prediction for 2024. Now, some users think that there are issues with this new proposal. One user named Jebediah Sheckelstein gave 5 potential problems with this proposal. The user stated, "This proposal has 5 big problems. Ignoring agreed payment system. The proposal doesn't follow the agreed upon per job payment system, bundling various tasks together like a quarterly spend plan. Unfinished tech work. The L1 team promised to fix technical issues for free in Q4, but didn't. No proof of them fixing problems from 2023 is shown. Paying for unfinished work. Despite incomplete tasks from previous quarters, the proposal suggests paying Vin and Inonman $51,000. Concerns about their other commitments and interests are also raised. Too much work for a small team. The workload for the upgrade seems too much for just 3 people, raising suspicions of undisclosed contributors and a lack of transparency. Free alternative. Another team, Moonrabbit, is willing to do a significant part of the upgrade for free. This questions the need for the proposed $51,000 payment. In short, the advice is to split the proposal into smaller tasks with separate budgets. There's a call for the team to prove commitment by completing some tasks for free. Concerns about conflicts of interest in the multi-sig team are also highlighted. The member also suggested rejecting the current proposal and wait for a revised version that follows community expectations and the agreed-upon payment system. Yet, if all is properly executed, then the value of LUNC can recover in 2024 and the LUNC price prediction can improve. At the time of writing this, the LUNC price is trading at $0.40931. Just 2 days ago, the LUNC price was decreasing heavily. After this proposal, it seems that LUNC's price is moving towards stability. So based on the above factors and the upcoming Bitcoin halving event that impacts the entire crypto market, Terra Classic could trade within a range of 0.40's $816 and 0.30's $167. If it reaches the upper price target, LUNC could rise by more than 80%. Let's talk more about security revamp and why the LUNC price surges by 8% yesterday. In a significant development for the Terra LUNA Classic community, the Joint L1 Task Force has put forth a core security upgrade package proposal, igniting an 8% jump in the Terra Classic price. This initiative represents a critical step towards overcoming challenges that have previously impeded LUNC's revival and the repegging hopes for USTC. The proposal, labeled as Proposal 12008, aims to upgrade core components to bolster the security and stability of the Terra LUNA Classic chain. These enhancements are vital for meeting the infrastructure requirements for Terraform Lab support, marking a key milestone in the platform's ongoing development. The upgrade package, spearheaded by developers Vin, Inonman, and Frag, has outlined a total budget of $51,000 to be managed in a multi-sig account held by the package team and an oversight committee. The proposal requests an initial funding of $25,500, which accounts for half of the total budget. This allocation is designated for initial setup costs and as a retainer fee, ensuring the Joint L1 Task Force's long-term commitment to the chain's security and stability. In its initial voting phase, the proposal garnered overwhelming support, with 94% of votes in favor and 5% abstaining. However, a small fraction of the community voted against or vetoed the proposal, highlighting the diverse perspectives within the Terra LUNA Classic community. Following the announcement of the proposal, both Terra LUNA Classic and USTC prices experienced a notable increase. LUNC Price surged by over 8%, trading around $0.40's $960, with a fluctuating trading volume indicating varied trader interest. Similarly, the USTC price saw over a 4% increase, trading at approximately $0.023. The Terra LUNA Classic community's move towards a comprehensive security upgrade underlines the platform's dedication to enhancing its ecosystem. This development not only promises improved security and stability for the chain, but also positively impacts market dynamics, as evidenced by the recent uptick in LUNC and USTC prices. As the voting continues, the community eagerly anticipates the outcome and the subsequent impact on Terra Classic's future trajectory. Now let's talk about what a sudden surge in LUNC staking means. Terra Classic investors suffered losses over the last few weeks as the token's price plummeted sharply. Though the price drop can be primarily attributed to the prevailing bearish market condition, it did have a negative impact on the blockchain's staking ecosystem. Terra Classic's price dropped in double digits last week. According to CoinMarketCap, LUNC was down by more than 22% in the past 7 days. The drop in price might have sparked fear among stakers, because of which they started to unstake their LUNC tokens. This resulted in a drop in LUNC's staking ratio, which reached 14%. However, things once again changed in the token's favor as its staking ratio increased and was resting just under the 15% mark. As per LUNC Metrics data, at press time, there were more than 1 trillion LUNC staked. A possible reason for the newfound interest in LUNC staking could be the slight recovery LUNC registered on its price chart. The token's bearish momentum slowed down as its price only dropped marginally in the last 24 hours. At the time of writing, Terra Classic was trading at $0.40's $952 with a market capitalization of over $551 million, making it the 101st largest crypto. Though the bearish momentum somewhat declined, AMB's crypto took a look at other datasets to check whether LUNC could actually recover from its latest price correction in the near term. Our analysis revealed that LUNC's social volume spiked sharply on the 24th of January 2024, when its price moved up slightly. Thanks to that, bullish sentiment around the token increased, as evident from the rise in its weighted sentiment on the same day. To better understand where LUNC was headed, AMB's crypto then checked its daily chart. As per the MASD, the bulls and the bears were in a tussle to gain an advantage over each other. Both Terra Classic's Relative Strength Index and Money Flow Index were headed towards the oversold zone. This can increase buying pressure on the token and, in turn, push its price up. Nonetheless, the Chaikin money flow remained bearish as it registered a downtick. While LUNC was starting to recover from its losses, its sister token, Terra, had already managed to paint its chart green. So how do you think will LUNC's manage to recover? Disclaimer, this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the LUNC token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.